Tips from Taps.
Today we're making weet-bix slices.
Hello everybody, this is Wesley and I'm Amaya. So first thing you want to do is preheat your oven, fan bake, 180 degrees Celsius.
These are the ingredients we need. 4 weet-bix, 1 cup plain flour, half a cup of coconut, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 70 grams of butter melted, 1 quarter of a cup of water, and extra yummy chocolate.
This is the fun part.
Where we crush the weet-bix. Make sure you get it in nice and crushed up.
Now our weet-bix are crushed. Now I can add the other ingredients. Dry.
Next, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients
And then add the wet ingredients. First we're going to add the butter.
then the water.
Now it's time to mix again.
Make sure it's all mixed through.
No dry spots.
Time to put it in the baking tray.
Time to line up the baking paper with the baking tray.
And then put it in our mixture.
Push it down. Make sure you have an adult to do this.
Now we put it in the oven for 15 minutes. While we're baking, we need to clean up.
Now it's time to bake the chocolate up.
To melt it. That's hard.
You need muscles for this job.
Yes, you do. I can't break.
Amaya, have you broken any?
I'm only breaking it in half.
This is the way we don't break the chocolate.
Oh gosh. Let's see if I can actually break some. Yay!
Yay!
Finally!
Our delicious chocolate on a double boiler.
You need pan since we're gonna put boiling hot water into a pot and then we're gonna put our chocolate in on top of that and the steam will melt our chocolate. Melt really quickly.
We're just going to do a time check. Okay, Google. How long left on the timer?
T-minus 3 minutes and 9 seconds.
Now, since the Weet-bix slices are out of the oven, we can put our chocolate on top.
Drizzle, drizzle.
So satisfying.
Now we have to put it in the fridge to set. Now it's time to eat it. Bye.